Have you ever been setting up a direct deposit, paying a bill, or sending a wire transfer, and then stopped dead in your tracks because you needed your EverBank routing number? It's a common moment of confusion. That 9-digit code, which is essential for almost any electronic transaction, can sometimes feel like it's playing hide and seek. But don't worry, it's actually easy to find once you know where to look. A routing number, also known as an ABA number, is essentially an electronic address for your bank. It tells the financial world exactly which institution to send your funds to. EverBank, like all major banks, uses a specific set of routing numbers to ensure your money lands exactly where it should. So, let's unlock the 3 most reliable places to find your EverBank routing number right now. Method 1. The EverBank website or app. The quickest, most modern way is right in your pocket. Start by logging into your EverBank account through their official website or the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to your account summary or details page for the specific checking or savings account you need the number for. Look for a link or section titled Show Account Details, Account Information, or similar. The EverBank routing number will be clearly listed there, often alongside your unique account number. This is always the most up-to-date source. Method 2. On your checks. If you have a physical EverBank checkbook, the information is printed right on it. Take a look at the bottom left corner of any physical check. You will see a series of numbers printed in a special font. The first set of 9 digits on the left is your routing number. It will be followed by your unique account number and then the individual check number. Just remember, if you are setting up a wire transfer, which is different from a standard direct deposit or ACH transfer, EverBank actually uses a different routing number for those. The wire transfer routing number may not be on your check, so it's always best to use the next method for wires. Method 3. The bank's official support page or calling them. For the ultimate confirmation, or to find that specific wire transfer number, go to the Public Contact Us or Client Support section of the official EverBank website. Many banks list their general routing numbers, including the specific one for inbound wire transfers, on this page. For EverBank specifically, their general routing number for deposits and ACH is typically 063092110. However, the wire transfer routing number is different, usually 063000225. To be absolutely certain, especially with a large or critical transaction like a wire transfer, you can always call EverBank's Client Solutions team during business hours. A quick call will confirm the exact number you need based on the type of transaction you are making. By checking your online account, your physical checks, or the bank's official support page, you can quickly find the 9 digits you need. Next time you're asked for your EverBank routing number, you'll be ready in seconds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.